Alright, before I start the video, just a shout out to Senseless Co. hooking me up with this banner. They're the unofficial sponsor of this video. Use code J5Z32 for discounts off stickers, banners, flags, whatever. You get 10% off your order if you use my code. So again, J5Z32. Check them out, link down in the description. Let's get started. What is up, guys? Juan here. Today I'm not really doing anything fun, just maintenance on the Z while the boys are out drifting. Really just Eric, but you know, I got some FOMO from that. I just ran around for about 40 minutes because I lost my spline key for my front wheels. I'm going to show you, I got some wheels freshly powdered, but the plan for today is, I don't think I'm going to change the intake because I don't feel like taking the front bumper off, but I got a new ISR intake. I got a clutch fan from Derek. I got to do my front brakes. I got a slight coolant leak that I just got to address, which I probably won't get that on camera. And then I'm going to change my wheels out to these freshly powdered wheels. They're just Infinities, but they kind of fit the look I'm going after with my livery that's going to be getting put on. So really we're just going to get to work, just do some boring maintenance, and maybe I'll lower the car a little bit. So enough talking, let's get started. Alright, so doing the little change up. These are 18 by 9.5 up front with a 1-inch spacer. These will be 18 by 9 with the spacer. And I just want a little more room in the wheel well, and I wanted to go 17s all around. So I got these wrapped with the Federal RSRRs. High grip. Pretty excited to try these tires out. I'm going to change the rears out right now, and then I will come up front and do the front brakes and go from there. Jack point on the rear bash bar is the way. Wheel change in 3, 2, 1. Hell yeah. I think the rear is sitting exactly how I want it to. I just got to bring the fronts down once I see what that looks like with the 17s on. So I got the jack stands under the car. Now we're going to go ahead and do the brakes. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to adjust these coils or not. I want to see the ride height. Like, I drift this thing, so it's all about functionality. I want to clean up in here, as you can see. It's all dirty. I got no fender liners, so clean that up. I think one of these days I want a bed line over everything. Obviously I'll cover up all the fittings, but I just want to bed line everything and make it just as safe as possible, because I do like driving this thing on the road, but you know, getting caught up in the rain, everything gets dirty. Dirt holds moisture, you know, all that good stuff. Alright, for all my Z32 brothers, after you take those 19s out, you're going to take these 2 clips off in the back. Then you're going to use your flathead screwdriver right here, pop this out, take this out right here. When you put it back, make sure it goes back in the same way you pulled it out. Take the old pads out, drop the new ones in, do it all in reverse. So, I haven't changed the brake pads since I got the car, and I felt like a serious lack in braking power, but maybe the front brakes just need to be bled, because there's the brakes I'm pulling out that aren't the best by any means, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead, change these brakes out, and then be on to the next thing. So, this line just broke, rusted off right here. So I gotta go to O'Reilly's and get a little hard line, make a new fitting. So that's where I'm at right now. So I gotta do that and go from there. You know, it's not the best, but it will do for now. I'm gonna just turn the wheel that way, make sure it doesn't hit anywhere. I think it'll be fine. I could bend it down a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I will finish this video tomorrow. Alright, so I'm about to bring it down. I didn't lower it at all. This is just now on the 17s with the 225/45s. So we're just gonna see how it sits now in the front. Yeah, she definitely needs to come down a bit, but not so bad. I might have to get 2-inch spacers for up front looking at this now, but not too bad. All my old AC components are going off to Kentucky. Getting $300 for all this. Clearing up some space, making some extra money. Nice, nice. You know, got the horn set up. I had to do a 1/2-inch adapter because I didn't want to do a quick release, but nice. All right, so I'm gonna be replacing this clutch fan. You zoom in right here. So basically, it's cracked all the way through. When the car's idling, it's ticking. I thought it was a lifter tick, but it's actually this clutch fan. It's about ready to go. Derek gave me his old clutch fan off his VG, so I'm gonna go ahead, take these 4 10mm bolts off and swap it out real quick. This fan is pretty beat. Zoom out a little. So if any Z guys need the actual clutch fan mechanism, hit me up. The fan blade shop, you could get one for like 70 bucks. So hit me up if you need one of these, but otherwise it's just going into the stockpile. Guys, I forgot to record an outro for the video. All I really did in this video was I did end up changing my intake. I didn't record that. I fixed the coolant leak, changed my brakes, hooked up my 1/2-inch spacer for the steering wheel, and I did something else, but I can't remember right now. You would have seen it in the video, not much. I'm gonna put some drift clips here at the end. Let me know what you guys think of the new video quality. I'm recording on my Canon. I've had it for a while and I get lazy for editing and stuff like that. It's easy to do it on the phone. Let me know. I'm gonna drop some B-roll down below and let's get it. Until next time, if you like the video, if you hate the video, let me know. Peace out.